Welcome to Safe Shop, India's leading direct selling company. I am Mohit Saini and I warmly welcome you. Dream of becoming rich because those with a poor mindset can never earn in crores. Direct selling is not just a business. It's an opportunity where an ordinary person can become extraordinary through their hard work. So let's learn about this powerful business opportunity. But before we dive in, I know you may have many questions running through your mind, like, what exactly is network marketing? Can dreams truly come true through it? Is success really achievable here? Will this become the most powerful industry of the future? Can I actually do this? These are natural questions. But first, I request you to make up your mind to watch this video till the end. Are you ready? If you watch the entire video, I promise that all your doubts will be cleared. So let's begin exploring this amazing opportunity that has transformed the lives of millions. The birth of a revolution. A vision that started a revolution. A company that changed the lives of lakhs of people. Safe Shop. Founded in January 2001, Safe Shop's head office is located at A324 Janakpuri, New Delhi. Today, the company fully complies with the Indian government's direct selling laws and is completely certified in every respect. Safe Shop operates a 20,000 square feet modern warehouse that uses the latest technology. Its motto is, "Believing is achieving. Those who believe are the ones who achieve." The dream of life. Every person dreams of a beautiful home, a nice car, traveling the world, quality time with family, and a bank account full of money. Do you agree with me? Let me tell you about an income versus expense survey. In 1950, a family needed 20 rupees. By 1970, 200 rupees. In 1990, 2000 rupees. In 2010, 20,000 rupees, and by 2030, a family will need 2 lakhs rupees to survive. That's why it's important to grow your income with time. Most people either forget or give up on their dreams because they don't earn enough. But now, you don't have to give up because a golden opportunity is here for you through Safe Shop. 5 fast-growing sectors of Safe Shop. Safe Shop recognized the potential and started working in 5 booming sectors. 1. Education. 2. Technology. 3. Fashion and lifestyle. 4. Healthcare and wellness. 5. Spiritual knowledge. Safe Shop partners with numerous reputed brands like Shri Shri Tattva, Trojan, United Ekta Group, Grado GBTL, Raymond, Clarion, Prabha, DMP, Nikhar, Source Natural, Columbus, BDM, Pioneer Hygiene, Nutrex, Wellness, Scotch Moda, Haoma, Me Myself, King Luther, Sitavli, Lara Soy, Zeno, Homex, Hugs and Cuddles, and many more, whose products meet essential household needs. Product Segment Overview. Digital Bhagavad Gita. One of the most sacred scriptures, now in a digital talking format. It's not just for the elderly. It teaches how to live life at any age. Available in 15 languages, includes meditation, bhajans, and more. Even many Indian celebrities have adopted it. You can find their video on this very channel. Sampurda Hanuman. Safe Shop also offers the digital Hanuman Granth with comprehensive knowledge about Lord Hanuman. Digital Ramayana, Gold Edition, an 800-page digital version of the Ramayana that offers complete knowledge about Lord Ram. You can use the digital reader Vajra, which plays the audio when you touch any page. A special stand is also available to hold these sacred texts. Wisdom Phone App, Spiritual Knowledge Series. Listen to these texts anytime, anywhere on your mobile phone via the Hauma Wisdom Phone app. Health and Wellness by Hauma. Various herbal products for good health. Balpause Herbal Chocolate Drink for kids. Pain relief balm, charcoal face wash, aloe vera, neem and haldi face wash, D-tan face wash, scrub mask combo, joint pain oil, shampoo, diabest syrup, green tea, mulberry, day and night cream, hair oil, amla tulsi syrup. Shri Shri Tattva Cough Syrup, Livocare Syrup, Ayurvedic Manipedi Kit, Glow Skin Pack, Smart Chakra Health Monitor, Herbal Toothpaste Facial Kit. Also available, Premium Shilajit for strength and vitality. BP Healthcare Products, Noni Pro Gold Juice, Powerful Healing from Noni Fruit. Spirulina Immunity Capsules, Joint Pain Capsules, Top-Up Drink, Brain and Health Booster for Kids, Multivitamins. Chyawanprash, Protein Powder, Wellness Fiber Rich, Premium Flora Incense. Skincare and Personal Care, Anti-Aging Cream, Brightening Cream, Men and Women, Deodorants. Premium Perfumes for Men and Women. Nail polish in various shades. High-quality sanitary pads for women. Luxury soaps, Genolux, Green Apple, Goat Milk, Papaya. Fashion and Innerwear, Women's Printed Leggings, Quick Dry Sports Bras. Kitchen and Grocery, Premium Masalas, Tea, Coffee, Cow Ghee, Jam, Chips, Tomato Ketchup. Travel and Fashion Accessories by Zeno, Luggage Bags, Backpacks, Executive and School Bags. Wrist Watches, Jeans for Adults and Kids. Fashion and Accessories, Premium Trousers and Shirts for Men, along with leather wallets and ties. Raymond Gibaldi supplies suit lengths and blazers, while Vitecchi Grado provides premium suit lengths. Citavli offers exclusive leather shoes, and Scotch Moda supplies sports shoes, slippers, and flip-flops in various colors and designs. Football and volleyball are available for sports enthusiasts. To address cracked heels, a common problem for many women today, Safe Shop offers a specialized foot care cream. Activewear by Zeno, tracksuits for men and women in multiple colors and styles, as shown on screen. Men's jackets, girls' t-shirts and lowers, plus a wide range of men's t-shirts in many colors and designs. Premium men's watches, elegant timepieces from Zeno, everyday essentials, socks and handkerchiefs, loafers, sunglasses and leather belts. Premium Nehru jackets for men. Women's fashion and beauty. Me Myself supplies artificial jewelry for women. Laranya Lavanya focuses on women's elegance, offering beautiful saris and suits in a range of colors and designs, as well as stunning bridal lehengas. Home and lifestyle. Mia Casa luxury cotton towels, royal dinner sets, double-wall dinner sets, and many other kitchen sets. Jyot Thali, prayer plate, for worship rituals. Safe Magic detergent powder and Magic dishwash bar for spotless cleaning. Unique Lidhu pressure cooker with secure locking plus convenient tiffin boxes. Soft touch bed sheets for cozy sleep. Room pure air purifier for cleaner indoor air. Children's special, education and entertainment. Eurohouse Smart Star Plus, an innovative educational product designed especially for kids. It turns study time into playtime, helping children learn effectively while reducing screen time on TV and mobile devices. Now that you've learned about Safe Shop's wide range of essential products, let's understand why you should buy products only from Safe Shop and what benefits you will receive. If you want to earn from your daily expenses, then welcome to Safe Shop's Supercharge Business Plan. Stop thinking, start doing. Why choose Safe Shop? Every person has four options for shopping. W. Retail shops or malls, where you pay full MRP. Number point. Supermarkets, where you get a small discount on MRP. Number third. Online platforms, where discounts on MRP are available. Number 4. Safe Shop, where you get discounts plus high quality products and a golden opportunity to earn lakhs or even crores to fulfill your dreams. How does Safe Shop pay you? Let's understand this with facts. Today, when you buy any product from the market, you pay the MRP. But the manufacturing cost is much lower. Example, if you buy a product for 100 rupees, its manufacturing cost might be only 35 rupees. The remaining 65 rupees is spent on distributors, dealers, retailers, agents, and advertising, including celebrity endorsements. That's what increases the product price by up to 65%. But Safe Shop eliminated this 65% margin and chose to reward the people who join and promote the business. As your team grows, your income multiplies from hundreds to thousands, lakhs, and even crores. How to start? Getting started is very simple. Visit the company website, make a one-time product purchase worth 200 business volume. You'll get a login ID and password. Pay online using credit card, debit card, Paytm, UPI, Google Pay, or PhonePe. The product is delivered to your home within 7 days via courier post. Yes, it's that easy. Income opportunities in Safe Shop. Safe Shop gives you 10 powerful ways to earn. First, retail profit. You get the product at Safe Shop price, which is lower than the MRP. Example, if MRPs is equal to 1000 rupees, SSPs is equal to 750 rupees, your savings is equal to 250 rupees. You also get a business center, U position, and the business grows with 3 groups. Each group has 2 business centers, left and right. You can start in any one group. Second, direct reference profit. When you sponsor someone, you earn income. Per BV is equal to 1 rupees, 100 BV is equal to 100 rupees, 200 BV is equal to 200. Third, team matching income. When you sponsor 2 people with 200 BV each, you get 1000 rupees as matching income, 400 rupees as direct reference income, total 1400 rupees. As your team grows, 2 pairs is equal 2000, 4 pairs equal 4000 rupees. Income comes weekly based on the total pair volume. Initial capping 2 lakh rupees per week. Resale capping 2 lakh per week. Fourth, retail capping income up to 2 lakh rupees per week. Fifth, incentive on flash out BV. Once you hit the income cap, the extra business volume becomes flash out BV, and 10% of that is still rewarded to you. Picture abhi baki hai mere dost. 6th rank step accelerator. Achieve company assigned ranks and get extra income from 6 to lakhs. From rank 1 to rank 11, total additional income is equal 26.66 lakhs. Rank chart is shown on screen. 7th, supercharge bonus. If you achieve the rank within the company's given time frame, you receive a supercharge bonus. Rank 1 within 30 days is equal 3000 rupees bonus. Higher ranks is equals even higher bonuses. Qualify for ranks and create history. 7. Heaven bonus. Weekly bonus opportunity. When you or your team generates matching BVs in a single week, you receive bonus income. Examples: 100 BV left plus 100 BV right is equal 500 rupees. 200 BV left plus 200 BV right is equal 1000 rupees. 300 BV left plus 300 BV right is equal 1500 rupees. 600 BV left plus 600 BV right is equal 3000 rupees. 800 BV left plus 800 BV right is equal 4000 rupees. 1400 BV left plus 1400 BV right is equal 7000 rupees. This is added to your pair matching check, available only up to rank 10. Ninth, Achievers Conclave Incentive. Double bonus after reaching rank 11. Your weekly check is doubled, 25,000 rupees to 50,000 rupees, to 60,000 rupees, to 1,20,000 rupees, to 2 lakh rupees, to 4 lakh, to 3 lakh, to 6 lakh, to 4 lakh, to 8 lakh. 10th Global Trotter Rewards. Achieve ranks and win world tours. Rank 4 Nainital tour plus up to 34,000 rupees. Rank 6 Thailand tour plus up to 1,18,000 rupees single. Rank 8 Dubai couple tour plus up to 4,17,000 rupees. Rank 9 Hong Kong couple tour plus up to 5 lakh rupees. Rank 10 Maldives couple tour plus up to 5 lakh rupees. Rank 11 Singapore couple tour plus say up to 8,33,000 rupees. Rank 12 China tour. Rank 13 Eastern Europe tour. Rank 14 Russia tour. Rank 15 Paris and Switzerland tour. Rank 16 London tour. Rank 17 Australia tour. Rank 18 USA tour. All tours are fully sponsored by SafeShop. Now, your dream to travel the world will come true. Extra feature: Safeguard for leaders. Leaders feel safe with Safeguard. In case of accidental death, SafeShop provides financial security to the family. This benefit starts from rank 7 to rank 11. Chart shown on screen. A simple success formula. Let's simplify success. In the first month, you sponsor just 2 people. Every member then sponsors 2 more in the next month, and so on. In 12 months, your team grows to 8,190 people. With 200 BV, your pair matching income alone is equals 40 lakh rupees. Other income types are in addition to this. Total income including pair bonus, rank income and bonuses over 70 lakh rupees in just 1 year. Conclusion. So grab this golden opportunity today and become a part of this incredible business. First come, first serve. Register now, because opportunities for success rarely come twice. Don't miss this one. Call or WhatsApp me on the number shown on screen. And if you haven't yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now. Smart Business Safe Shop welcomes you from the bottom of the heart. It was a pleasure to share this amazing opportunity with you. Thank you and have a great day.